A lot to talk about in the tropics, especially with that system that may dump a lot of rainfall early next week, maybe at the tail end of the weekend. Here's the system right now. Not a depression yet, not a storm. It's a tropical wave that is bringing some high winds to San Juan and the island of Hispaniola as it moves to the west-northwest. Plenty of convection in those pink cloud tops that you see. There's an 80% chance this is going to become, a tropical system within the next 5 days, heck, within the next 2 or 3. And so I would expect it to eventually be Tropical Storm Hermine once we get this closed low circulation identified, which right now there is no closed circulation. So these are a bunch of individual models. Now this is not an official forecast. I'm just showing you what all the models individually are showing. And there's very good agreement that it'll continue this west-northwesterly track north of Cuba. Then once we get to around late Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, then the tracks start to diverge a lot, taking the system into Central Florida, into South Florida, and even down south to the Keys and just north of Cuba. So we cannot say at this point with a certainty if we'll get a direct impact or if we'll just get some rain from it. Best case scenarios, we get some winds, we get a lot of rain, we watch out for flooded roadways, and that's it. But there is still the potential that this could impact us directly. And the reason why there's a concern is because right now this is encountering a lot of wind shear, which is unfavorable for development. Wind shear tends to blow clouds all out of proportion. Sometimes you'll see a hurricane and you'll see the clouds. It looks like they're just being blown away. That's usually the cause. That's usually due to wind shear. And what we're seeing is it's going to enter low wind shear, you see in blue, and so that's very favorable for development, plus very warm waters. So there is the concern for intensification once it gets to the southeast of Florida, and that's why we're keeping a close eye. Plus, this could impact us as early as Sunday or Monday. So even though it is Thursday right now, still too early to say if this will be a direct impact or not with whatever it's going to be. Right now, it looks like it'll be at least a tropical storm, so we'll just have to see where it goes from here.